Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the radios, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth so Airdrop can see nearby devices. Open Finder and choose Airdrop to immediately make your Mac discoverable. This is where discovery and transfers start. Once there, set your visibility to contacts only or everyone depending on who you expect. Choose contacts only for privacy, everyone for quick transfers. Make sure both devices are within close range. You're now ready to send the first file. Now you transfer. Drag one or multiple files onto the recipient icon in the Airdrop window, or right-click a file and choose Share Airdrop from apps like Photos or Safari. The recipient will see an Accept prompt. Once they accept, the transfer proceeds and files land in Downloads by default. If you're sending to a contact, Airdrop matches Apple ID for smoother transfers. Make sure both screens stay awake and close enough so Bluetooth and peer networking stay active during the transfer. Finish by checking the Downloads folder or the receiving app. Airdrop saves items where that app expects them, so photos go to Photos and documents to Downloads. Once done, switch your discoverability back to No One or Contacts only to protect your Mac. If transfers fail, don't panic. First toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on, then try again. If that doesn't help, restart Bluetooth from System Settings or reboot. Often a quick reset clears the peer connection and restores successful Airdrop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.